What if a shattered bone could be repaired in 3 minutes with a drop of glue, no metal plates, no screws, and no second surgery to remove them? That's not a fantasy. Scientists in China have developed what they call the world's first bone glue, and its inspiration comes from a surprising place: oysters. Think about how an oyster clings to a wet rock, battered by waves, yet never washes away. It secretes a natural cement that grips underwater perfectly. That underwater sticking has baffled scientists for a century, because most glues fail completely in wet conditions, and the human body, full of blood and fluid, is intensely wet. That's exactly why fixing shattered bones is so hard. Traditional glues simply won't bond inside a bloody surgical site, so surgeons rely on metal plates and screws instead. But those metal implants mean large incisions, significant trauma, risks of nerve damage, and often a second painful operation later just to remove the hardware once healing is done. So a team at Sir Run Shaw Hospital and Zhejiang University spent years cracking the oyster's secret. The result is a bio-adhesive they playfully named Bone 02. The name is a nod to 502, a famous Chinese superglue, and this medical version genuinely lives up to it, working right inside the body's wettest environments. Here's how it performs. Injected into a fracture site, Bone 02 sets and grips within just 2 to 3 minutes, even surrounded by blood and tissue. And it is astonishingly strong. Lab tests showed the bond can withstand over 400 pounds of force, holding shattered bone fragments firmly together, comparable to traditional metal fixation. The genius part? It's fully biodegradable. As your bone naturally heals over roughly 6 months, the glue safely dissolves and is absorbed, so no second surgery is ever needed. It's especially powerful for comminuted fractures, where bone splinters into many tiny pieces. Those small fragments are notoriously hard to fix with conventional plates and screws. In one case, a young worker shattered his wrist. Instead of a large incision and metal implants, surgeons used a small cut, injected the glue, and fixed it in minutes. 3 months later, his fracture had healed with full function and no complications. So far, the adhesive has been used in more than 150 patients across multiple centers. The team even imagines future uses in dental implants, spinal fixation, and emergency care, in disaster zones or battlefields where fast, simple fracture repair could genuinely save limbs. But now, the honest reality check. This is early clinical work. Independent, peer-reviewed data and larger international trials are still lacking, and the exact formula remains undisclosed. So while the results are genuinely exciting, we should stay measured. Promising early success in one country's trials is not yet the same as proven worldwide medical practice. Still, the idea is beautiful, that the humble oyster clinging quietly to a rock might teach us how to heal our own broken bones. So here's my question for you. If you shattered a bone, would you choose dissolving oyster-inspired glue over metal plates and screws? Tell me honestly below. And if science that turns nature into medicine fascinates you the way it fascinates me, subscribe, because the next breakthrough is always closer than you think.